Board games have been my favorite, but I didn't know QR codes originated from that. If you also didn't, then welcome to the club. A Japanese engineer, Masahiro Hara, was working at Denso Wave, a company that supplied parts to Toyota. They could not function with the traditional barcode system as they were not efficient on an extensive level. One day, Mr. Hara was playing the strategic game of Go and he observed how the black and white tiles were arranged in a pattern, and humans could instantly identify this due to the contrast. That's when it hit him how information could be stored in a 2D form instead of a single line barcode. That's what led to Quick Response Code or QR code. But arranging them in random squares wouldn't solve the problem. So they put three standardized squares in all the codes, which were the finder patterns. These finder patterns enable the machine to read the code from any angle. And even if the code was worn off, the Reed-Solomon error correction that was imbibed in these codes enabled them to comprehend it. This is why if you've observed, anytime you scan a QR code, even if it is worn off, you still have access to it. These codes that have been induced with binary code, though have been originally invented for car manufacturing parts, are now extensively used for payments, menus, forms, and etc. This became a revelation when Denso Wave went on to patent this technology and announced no fees at all. So this made this QR code usage universal.